right, so here we are traveling from Dresden to Prague. We got on a train. It was a couple of hours. I think it was only 2 hours. It was pretty fast, but the view is beautiful. We were going all along the river the whole trip. This was a river that has seen a lot of history, but it was really cool just to kind of see how people live and see these little villages. And it was a really nice day. It was super sunny, and we had a nice little lunch. I had these little like Czech pancakes that had smoked cheese in them, and shocking, James had another wiener, and he insists on carrying my bags even though I tell him not to. But when we came out of the train station, it was pouring down rain, which was the first rain we saw our entire trip. But our hotel was absolutely beautiful, and it was the perfect location in Prague. It was right off of the bridge, and I think it was cloudy the rest of this day, but weed and absinthe are like the alcohols, I guess, in Prague. For all the touristy places had them. And this is the smallest or shortest street in Prague. It actually even had a walk signal because, wait, maybe it was the narrowest street because it was literally only wide enough for one person at a time. So there was a little walk signal at the top and the bottom of it. So we had just gotten in this day. We went on a little walk around, and gingerbread is very, very popular in Prague. And I found this little, I don't know even what this is, a little monument, a little art installation, but it rotated, and it was just like two dudes peeing in a little bit of water. I don't know. I thought it was cute and interesting. There's a lot of this kind of stuff around Prague, a lot of little art installations. Then we just stumbled upon this beautiful building and gardens, and it turns out it's a parliamentary building. I guess it's a historic building, but then Parliament took it over, and this artist created this wall because he wanted it to look more like nature, and I thought it was really cool. This was the ceiling of this building outside, like an outside part of the building. And never go to Charles Bridge on a weekend or when it's really touristy because there's a million people out there. But luckily we were staying right by it, so we got to see it when it was not quite so crowded. We walked all the way up to this top of this hill. It was beautiful, but oh my God, it almost killed me. But there's this monastery at the top called Napekal, and they do a dinner in there. It's in the basement of this like 1,000-year-old monastery. Absolutely delicious. I think there's only like 10 tables, so if you want to go, make sure you make a reservation in advance. But it was very romantic. The staff was super friendly. The food was really good. We got some traditional Czech food and some drinks, and this was our first day in Prague, so stay tuned for more. We had a big adventure in this city.